The operation to disarm the gunmen who've been roaming the streets of Bangui for months now is well and truly underway. France says it is willing to use force if necessary in order to disarm the gunmen, who are mainly Muslim Seleka fighters and rival Christian militias. And on Monday morning, the French troops were fanned out across the city, setting up checkpoints on Bangui's main roads and searching vehicles for weapons. The Seleka fighters, most of whom consider themselves to be part of the national army now, had been told to stay in their barracks by rebel leader turned interim president Michel Jotadia. But some were still out on the streets, and we saw a number of people being arrested and their weapons being seized. While many here, particularly among the Christian community, are happy to see the Seleka militiamen, who've been in control of the country since a coup earlier this year, being disarmed, there is concern that the wave of sectarian violence that's sweeping across the country is not over. Seleka are not the only armed group in the CAR. Christian self-defence militias, known as anti-Balaka or anti-Machete, have sprung up, and aid groups have expressed concern that the minority Muslim community is increasingly vulnerable to attacks from Christian militias seeking revenge for scores of atrocities blamed on the Seleka rebels. Kate Parkinson, CCTV, Bangui, in the Central African Republic.